So why are schools bringing back oral exams? Well, in the age of AI, people have ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini, which can do a great job with researching and writing, but they want to find out in school, what do you actually know? What's in your head? Do you understand the concepts at a deeper level? When it comes to oral exams, the first thing you want to do is write out the key questions that you expect you're going to see on the oral exam. So it could be from the end of chapter questions, it could be from class. Just write everything down and then answer the questions in your own natural language. Gather your evidence, write it down in the simplest way possible, using words that'll be stickier for your memory. And chunk and chain things together using acronyms and mnemonics, things to help you memorize evidence in short little bursts. Then stop for a minute and speak it out loud. Read your notes, record it, and does it sound natural? Is there a fluency and fluidity to it? Check yourself. If not, make some changes. Save a little bit of time, put everything away, close your eyes, and imagine yourself doing well. It's called cognitive rehearsal. See yourself up there with the teacher, listening to the questions and responding and recovering when necessary. And putting in the time to practice and imagine yourself doing well will actually help you on the test day.